Ever wonder why you're still checking your bank balance manually 3 times a day when your phone could just tell you exactly what you need to know the second it happens? I've been using Monzo as my primary account for years, and I've learned the hard way that leaving every notification on is a recipe for digital fatigue, but turning them all off is a fast track to overspending. If you want to actually master your money without obsessing over the app, these are the specific toggles you need to flip. The non-negotiables. First, you have to enable instant transaction notifications. This is the bread and butter of the Monzo experience. The psychological impact of feeling your phone vibrate before the receipt has even finished printing at the till is the best spending deterrent I've found. It makes every purchase feel real in a way that traditional banks, with their 3-day processing delays, just don't. Next, turn on incoming bank transfers. There is no better feeling than knowing exactly when your salary hits or when a friend has finally paid you back for dinner. It removes the "is it there yet" anxiety and lets you move money into your savings pots immediately. The budgeting power moves. If you use Monzo for budgeting, you need to toggle on target progress. I have mine set to alert me when I've spent 50%, 80%, and 100% of my monthly dining out budget. It's a gentle reality check that keeps me from blowing my entire allowance by the second week of the month. You should also enable direct debit reminders. Monzo will ping you the day before a scheduled payment is due to leave your account. If you don't have enough in your main balance to cover it, you get a heads up to move money from a pot. This has saved me from failed payment fees more times than I care to admit. Security and maintenance. Don't overlook identity check notifications. These are the prompts you get when you're buying something online. Having these set to push notifications rather than waiting for a text code makes the checkout process seamless while keeping your account locked down. Finally, turn off the marketing and general noise. You don't need a notification telling you about a new blog post or a feature update you'll never use. Keep the channel clear so that when your phone vibrates, you know it's actually about your cash. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.